It says in the middle distance you can see a 6-metre high stone tower. We think it was built in about 1840 when the landowners, the Gordons of Buffalo, funded a major drainage project to reclaim land from the Loch. But it may stretch back further to the mid-1790s when it may be part of a failed project. The tower no longer has its wooden cap or sails, but some of the machinery is still there. The pump machinery was powered by the wind that turned the sails. The pump then drew water from one area into another. The new drier areas, crisscrossed by ditches to continue the draining process, provided landowners with good grazing pasture. Where is this tower? Middle distance.
You see a hide over there, like birds.
And conic ponies, apparently. Yeah. The conic ponies are team specialist wetland warriors.
I feel like being at any sort of zoo because you're peering, where is the thing? And the thing is hiding.
I once briefly saw a wolverine at Highland Wildlife Park. It ran into the shelter because it was raining.
This may be the only view we get of ponies. Oh, is that a pony over there? Beyond that's like a fence.
Did you see?
I wondered if I saw a pony. The other side of the water. There's something dark beyond that fence. It could be a bush. I mean, it could be